morning. I should have given you an assignment the last time that we met so that you could have an idea of what will be our lesson. However, you may have an idea about what it will be because you encounter these terms daily. So now you are expected that you would engage into the lesson with ease and will just treat it as a sort of review. So based on the statements that I have said, you can or you may notice that I have frequently used modals. So what are modals? Modals act differently or functions differently from the origin or regular verbs that we have or ordinary verbs that we have, such as play, visit, dance, because these are what we call main verbs. Modal verbs are what we call auxiliary verbs. Auxiliary verbs because it gives or it functions as a help, a sort of help to the main verb. It gives additional function to the main verbs. That's why it was called auxiliary or also what we call helping verbs. So what are the modals that I have used a while ago? We have I should have given you assignment the last time that we met so that you could have an idea of what it will be. However, you may have an idea of what it will be because you encounter these terms daily. And so, you are expected that you would engage into the topic with ease and will just treat it as a sort of review. Other than these modals, we also have can, must, shall, and might. So, what is the sole reason that we are studying these modals? What is the purpose? We should always remember that modal verbs are used to express functions. What are these functions? It could vary. We have permission, ability, obligation, prohibition, advice, possibility, certainty, requirement, probability, hypothesis, desirability, and intention. So I have here set of sentences, and as you can notice, it has or each sentences has the same form because of the main verb use, which is dance. However, these sentences vary because of the different modals that is being used. We have can, will, must, shall, and may. Now, let us witness or let us see how this or how each sentences vary its meaning because of the modals that is being used, though they may have the same main verb. So let's start with I can dance. I can dance shows functions, can shows functions of ability to dance. Really, you have the ability to dance because you have talent in that craft or so that you can dance. Next, we have I will dance. Will shows the function of certainty. You are certain that you can dance or you will dance, or maybe because you joined a competition in dancing, so you will really dance in there. Next, I must dance shows the functions of dancing as an obligation. you are obligated to dance. Maybe because you are part of a group of dancers and you will perform. That's why it is a must for you to dance. Next, we have I shall dance. Shall shows the functions of, or the function rather, of willingness. You are willing to dance. Maybe because you have someone to be with to dance. And then I may dance shows the function of possibility to dance. It is possible that you dance maybe because you want to impress or you want to express yourself. So, as we can notice, each sentences varies from the meaning, though they may have the same main verb. The sentences changes its meaning because the modals that is being used varies also or is different from each other. It shows the ability to dance, certainty of dancing, obligation to dance, willingness of dancing, and possibility of dancing. Now, we have characteristics of modals. What are those? Modal verbs have no S. So we do not say she might dance. We do not add S anymore to the modal. Modal verbs have no infinitive or ing form. Modal verbs make questions and negative forms without using do or did. Just like, for example, in the question, can I dance? We do not include do or do I can dance. We do not include anymore do. Instead, we just say, can I dance? We do not include do anymore. Modals do not change its form from different or for different subjects. So modals do not change its spelling anymore. It is as it is. So, for your assignment, you have to give the functions of the statements that I have said a while ago based on the given modals being included there. And you also have to find all the modals being used in the story of the age mother, which we know a folk tale from Japan.